Welcome to the OpenText Mobile Wave product demonstration video. So what we see here is OpenText Mobile Wave version 4.0 and the application directory. All applications created using the Wave portal will be published to the application directory. Now let's log in so I can build my own Wave 4.0 application. Now I already have a user ID and password to log in, but anyone can register. Immediately you will see my project space with projects that might have failed building and ones that were successful. Let's create a new one. Type a name of the project. That can be anything that you like, and then upload an application source package following the W3C widget packaging specification. Let's upload that to the server. And once that's fully uploaded, I can review the metadata that was in the corresponding config.xml file. I can see the number of files, the description, and the author of the application. When I'm ready, let's confirm. And now I have the build options to select the target platforms for my application. Let's do iOS and attach a certificate so the application is signed. Upload the mobile provisioning profile and private key. And once we've done that, we need to set the password for the certificate, in this case none. Then do the same for Android, which is the key store file that we need to add. And enter the key store password as well as the key password, followed by the alias, and then we're ready to submit the query to the Wave portal. And once we've done that, we will go back to our projects page. There it is. And you will see the video demo is currently in progress. So let's look at the details by clicking on it. I can see iOS is in progress, Android is being queued. So I'll just have to wait until that is done. So now we see Android has also started to build, so they're simultaneously building. And once that's complete, you will see that the download link becomes active, as it's now done for iOS. Wait for Android to complete. And once the build is there, also the download link is active. I can look at the details, and I might see a few warnings, like in this case for iOS, about sizes of images. And I have a direct download link for over-the-air installation. Let's do the same for Android. There's no warnings there, but also a download link to download it from my Android device, straight onto the device for installation. Let's look at the project description. This is where I can actually do a couple of things, like I can upload screenshots, which will be used in the application directory, as well as the project description, which I can update. And I can even add HTML tags, so formatting tags, to ensure that it looks pretty, although the tags may be overridden by the style sheets of Wave Portal. So once I've updated the description, click the button and go back to the building status. What we can do now is download the build application, which is a package ready for installation on the Android device. And we'll wait until that's completely downloaded. It's an APK file for this Android device. And let's look at the application directory, and I'll sort that by last updated, so you will see the last project, which is my project that I've just created for iOS and Android. Let's look at the details, and there you can see the updated formatting of the application description and the two download links for the targeted platforms. Now let's have a closer look at the Android application that was just built. Let's look at the status bar and note down the download address. Then I'll use my Android emulator to download and install this application over the air. So I use my browser and type in that URL that we just found in Wave Portal. There we go. And complete the whole address that we just saw in the status bar. and with the unique link for this Android build. Click enter and it's starting to download. So now I'm going back to my home screen and go to the downloads application where we will see the active download. There it is, downloaded and ready to install. Let's click on it. There we see the request. Let's choose install. Installing the application, and let's wait until that has completed. There it is, and now we can open it. Let's open the application. And there we see the splash screen coming up. And there is the application in all its glory. Thank you for watching.